Please share your screen
Okay.
and open activity guide. Go through
Okay.
the today's topics and walk me through. Over to you, Suhail.
Okay. Thank you, Ravali. As you can see my screen, I will go to the topics first.
No, I'm unable to see your screen.
Oh,
Yeah, now I'm able.
now can
Carry
you
on,
see
Suhail.
my screen? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. As you can see, the topics today. Topics are like managing approvals and setting up the process, and managing the task template scheduling and regarding task manager, and then supplemental data manager, and lastly we'll go to the smart view and close manager and EPM automate. So first we'll go to the first topic. As you can see the activity guide. Here it says like sign in as EPM default admin with password. We have currently logged in with the application. So this is the home page. So next we have to create an user, approver one user who will act as a approval in the current and the following practices is created in the environment. So first we'll go to the uh, tools cluster, and over there access control cluster on home page. So here tools, and we'll go to the access control, and here we'll create the user. Uh, yeah, click an access control tab on the left hand panel. Yeah, access control tab, and over there we'll create click manage users. So under login column, check the approver one is present. If not, we'll create the one. Click on create button. Yeah, here we'll go to the user login. Create, and here we'll provide the username. Here username approver one, and yeah, and password welcome one, and we'll rewrite the password once again, which is welcome one, and first name as approver one, and email address approver one, and yeah, and in email address approver@discard.oracle.com. Approver at the rate discard discard.oracle.com. oracle.com. Like that we'll basically fill the details, and in the member section you under variables group, click search and add group user and viewer. Here we'll search, and we'll select user and viewer. First we are selected a user, and then we'll select viewer. After all we'll yeah, and make sure the application is accessible to all users. In the home page, click on application settings. Yeah, first we'll save this. Yeah, approver one created successfully. We'll go to the settings. Over there, enable use of application for set all users. Yeah, as you can see here, enable use of application for all users. It has been set for all users. We'll save this. And next, click on the navigator, tools, variables, navigator, under tools, variables. Yeah. After that, make sure the correct values are set for user variables, PM, year, and years. They should have values. Yeah. Here, user variables, and we'll select the to create a user variable here like PM year and years. Press the add icon and we'll select year, and here we'll keep the name as years. And here we'll select the number of years which we want to select. So here in the activity guide, it has been select all years. They should have values 15 to 25 years. So 15, 16, yeah, up to 25, we have to select all. Yeah, like that we'll select and we'll click on OK. And after clicking, click on member selector, click FI2, FI25 and click on OK. It should be look like this. As you can see, it is looking like same as in admin guide. So after this, we'll go to the click on tools, user preferences. So you click on OK, we'll save, and we'll go to the user preferences. Over there, we'll go to the user variables, which we have created now. Yeah, and we'll go to that and we'll select the year called FI21. Click on OK. Like that, we'll create the variables and prefer the user variables. Go to the next page in the admin guide. Now note that you might have the change PM year to FI21 once you have ensured that the values are current, click or on save. Yeah, we have done that. Throughout this course, we will use an approval unit set for the actual FY21 Jan. So make sure that there are no existing approval unit assigned to this set. So click on navigator and select manage approval under workflow. So we'll go to the navigator. Under workflow, we'll select manage approvals. Yeah. In the manage approvals under workflow, set POV to scenario, actual to FI21, actual FI21, and period as here as you can see, period as Jan, and click on go. Yeah, like that. As you can see, the units which have been approved or under reviewed has been displayed here. So here, click on the view button and drop down and select tree view. Here we'll click on view and we'll select tree view. So in the demo hierarchy, see, yeah, expand approval unit RKS and ensure that approval unit set to not started for C_131. So here we'll search the entity C_131. We'll select search. Yeah, these entities are only there. After that, we'll go to the click on expand RKS approval unit set to not started to yeah, if not exclude, and click on navigator and select approval unit assignment or under workflow. We'll go to the navigator and in the approval unit assignment under workflow, expand approval unit RKS and click on the red cross. Yeah, in the here approval unit assignment, we'll click on the red cross. Yeah. And click on save. Login as the admin with password. On the home page, click navigator, workflow, approval unit, click create button. We'll go to the navigator, approval unit, we'll click on create button. And in that we'll see on create approval unit hierarchy page, enter values under approval dimension entity as follows. Hierarchy name, approval unit 001. Hierarchy name, approval unit 001. Yeah, in the description we can describe the name, approval for unit 001, approval unit for approval for unit 001. And next enable approvals none, and approval template select consolidation bottom up. Here in the enabled approvals it will be none, and approval template will select consolidation bottom up. And after that click on primary and sub hierarchy selection tab to select the members to the included in the approval process. We'll select the primary and sub hierarchy selection and select display field as all entities. Yeah, it's in all entities only. And expand entity C all core comp, and we'll select the entities here. So we'll expand it first, and we'll select the unit which we want to do the unit hierarchy approval process. So in this process, I'm selecting any of the entity here, CE underscore EN03. After selecting, click on the assign owners tab to specify approval unit ownership. Yeah, we'll expand this. As you can see the unit here, and yeah, on the assign owner page, expand the entity and provide values for fields in the following table. Owner as admin and reviewer as approver 1. Yeah, here we'll select owner as admin and reviewer as approver 1. You click on OK. Yeah, we'll click on OK and save to the save the approver unit. Okay, click on OK in the information dialog box cluster. The new created approver unit hierarchy will appear on the approver unit page. Yeah, we'll click on OK. As you can see, new unit will be appeared in the this page. Approver unit this. Yeah. After that, we'll go to the next page. Click on navigator workflow approval unit assignment. We'll go to the navigator approval unit assignment. Over there, we'll select the approval unit which we have created before, and in the actions, yeah, and in the actions, select on the approval unit assignment page. You can assign the approval unit hierarchy to a specific scenario, year and period combination. Only scenarios that have approval enabled in metadata are available for selection. Select your approval unit 001, and we'll give the scenario as actual, year as FY21, and period as Jan. So here we'll select the scenario as actual, year as FY21, and period as Jan. So yeah, like that we can create, and click save. Click on save. Yeah, assignment already exists for approval unit demo hierarchy for combination actual FY21 Jan. As we have created earlier, we'll directly go to the manage approvals. So after going to the manage approvals, we'll go, yeah, here promote and approve and lock approval units. After signing into the admin credentials, we'll go to the task for scenario, year and period. You will use the same values you define in the previous practices. Manage approvals under workflow. We'll go to the manage approvals under workflow. Yeah. After coming to it, we'll give the field names. Scenario as actual, and year as FY21 and period as Jan, and click on go. And click view in the process status and select tree view. Yeah, this is the tree view, and in the expand approval unit hierarchy, approval unit 001. Here we'll select the entity which we have created. We'll search. Yeah, this is the unit which we have created. You go to the next page and click the radio button in the start column for, yeah, here. We'll click on the start icon. As you can see, the approval unit has been started. And click on OK information dialog box. So click on click on OK in the information dialog box. Yeah. After clicking, then status to under review. Here click the click on OK. As you can see here under review, we'll go to the admin guide. As you can see here, we are going to the admin guide here, and we'll enter the we'll go to the actions and click on change status. After clicking here, we can select the options here, like how to delegate, promote, approve, originate, sign off, and take ownership. So after that, we'll go to the next page to the admin guide. Yeah, here select under review and the change status. Verify promote is the status in select actions drop down menu. Click OK. Here we'll go to the promote. After clicking the promote icon, we'll is the status select action drop down menu and click OK. We'll select OK. Here, as you can see, the sub status is processing. So select an under review, change status, promote, and OK. Approver and unit, approver unit, login as approver 1 with password welcome 1. We'll sign out this. We'll end the session and we'll log into the approver credentials. Yeah, here we'll select the approver 1 credentials and click on go. And after logging the credentials, we'll click on approvals under monthly close. Here we'll click on approvals, and in the filter we'll select all, and in the firstly we'll go to the admin, and in the actual we'll give the right access to the approver. We're logging in as admin once. Here we'll go to the navigator, dimensions, and we'll go to the scenario dimension. Over there, we'll give the right access to the approver. Under actions, we'll give assign access, groups, columns, and under that we'll add access. We'll select the approver one, click on write, and click on add. Like that, we can give the right access to the approver. Click on close, and we'll log into the approver credentials. So after that, we'll go to the approvers, and here we'll select the filter, and in the actual, we'll select actual, year FY21, and period Jan. We'll click on apply. As you can see, the entities have been appeared here. We'll select the particular entity, click on refresh, and after selecting the particular entity, we'll click on the entity, and here we'll click on approve. As you can see, click change status, click done, login as admin, admin will password, click navigator and click manage approvals under workflow, set scenario as actual FY21 period Jan, click on go. The approval status for will be approved. Yeah, like that we can do the process, and we'll go to the next topic, which is task manager. Firstly, we'll log into the admin credentials once again. After logging in, next topic is task manager. Here, as you can see here on the home page, click application task manager card. Application home page. In the navigator, we can see the task manager card. Over there, we can select approver unit organizations tab. Here, the organizations tabs will be appeared here. We'll create the click the holiday rules tab. Click the create button to create a new holiday rule. So we'll go to the holiday rule tab, and we'll select a new to select new holiday rule. In the new holiday rule, we'll first name the holiday rule as HR ID 001. HR ID 001, and the name of the holiday rule same HR NM 001. HR NM 001, and in the year we'll select we'll leave it as it is, and click on new button on the create list of holidays, and here We'll select the 1st Jan. Here we'll go to the January and we'll select the 1st Jan. And here in the name, we'll select New Year holiday. Like that, we can create the holiday rules. We'll create another one. We'll go to the December one, December 25, and we'll name it as Christmas Day. Christmas, yeah. We'll click on save. Like that, we can create the holiday rule and click on organization unit tab. Yeah. After clicking the organization unit tab, you can see the existing organization units. Click on the total geography and click add sibling. Here we can see the entity, or we can create new entity as well. Here in this case, I'm adding to the new organization one. We're adding sibling to the new organization one, or we'll create the new organization here. We'll click on add sibling. Yeah, here we'll name the organization name. Organization name here we'll name it as Middle East 001. Middle East 001, and in the unit ID we'll give ME001, and in the parent organization we'll leave we'll see the parent organization. We'll leave it as it is, and in description Middle East region. And in the yeah, we'll go to the admin guide. In the time zone description, holiday rule, we'll select the holiday rule which we have created here, and in the work days we'll put as select Sunday to Thursday, Sunday to Thursday, and click on save. As you can see, the Middle East hierarchy has been created. After creating the top level organization unit, click the newly created organization unit in the hierarchy Middle East. Select Middle East 001 and click add child. After yeah, after adding the child, we'll name as legal entity 001. Legal entity 001, and in the unit ID, organization unit ID, we'll name it as LE001. And in the parent organization, we'll select the Middle East 001, and in description, legal entity under Middle East region. Legal entity under Middle East region. So here we'll description holiday rule and work days Sunday to Thursday. We'll assign the holiday rule here, and here we'll put it as Monday to Thursday and click on save. Coming to the next topic, creating teams. Click on the home page, navigate to tools, access control. Home page, we'll go to the access control, and over there we'll click in the left hand panel, click access control tab. Yeah. After clicking, you will see the list of existing teams on the page. Click new button. Yeah. If create select if manage teams tab. After selecting manage teams, we'll click on add. We'll name it as approver team 001. Approver team 001. And in the description, we'll name it as a list of approvers for a task. List of approvers for a task. After giving the names, a role, select user and click add to the add members to the team. So here we'll add the users. Select the users and click add. Turn to add to the users to the team. Click on OK button. Then select the primary user checkbox. So here we'll search the users. Yeah. After selecting the users, we click on OK. And here we'll select one as a primary user. After selecting, we'll go to the we'll put OK button. This completes the proceeding to create new team in the users to it. Click on OK. In this practice, you will create templates. Yeah, on the home page, navigate to the Task Manager template tab. Here we'll go to the Task Manager and template tab. After going to the template, we'll click on new template. After we'll name it as a template for monthly closure 001. We'll create here. We'll name it as monthly closure for 001. And in the description, we'll name it as a monthly closure template. And you will see the existing template on the page. Click on new button to add the new template. Yeah, and the organization unit Middle East 001. We'll select the organization unit here, Middle East 001, and click on OK. Number of days before 0, 10, and number of days 0 or after 0, 20. We'll set as 10 here, and here we'll set as 20. And we'll go to the next tab, instructions for monthly closure. Here in the instructions tab, yeah, here we'll give the name instructions for monthly closure, and we'll go to the we'll click on OK button and click on the task tabs. We'll click on OK here, and we'll go to the task tabs. Yeah, we'll click on add task. Go to the next page. Okay, and in the filter section under template field, select template for monthly closure 001. Here in the template field, we'll select the monthly closure for 001 and we'll add. And the new button, we'll click on add new task. Task name is review task 001. and task ID as you can give the task ID, and in the description we'll give as monthly closure for review task. Review task and organization unit, it is selected by default, and source template for monthly closure 001, and task type select value basic task, admin as user, owner as admin user. Basic task, click on OK, and we'll go to the next one. And assignee, workflow tab, will give the assignee as a admin user and starts 7. We'll name it as 7 here, -7, and ends as 15. And after giving the time of the task, we'll go to the duration. Allow early start checkbox checked. We'll check, and on the workflow tab under approver section, click add to the select approvers. On the select approver screen, click user icons and select teams. Here we'll add, and here in the icon we'll select teams, we'll search, and we'll approve a team, and we'll click on OK. And provide the values to the other attributes as follows: workflow or approver, end date. End date at 20, and required action by any approver. So after giving the details, click save and close button. We'll go to the next one. As home page, navigate to the task manager. In the left hand panel, click template tabs. Select the template tab, and here we'll select the template which we have created previously. Here we have selected this template, and over there select the template tab, choose the template record with the name as template for 001. On the toolbar, click create schedule button. After selecting, we'll schedule it as a monthly closure for 001. Monthly closure for 001, and in the year we'll select as FY20, FY21, and period as current month. And the period as current month. Here we'll select January, and day, and here day 0 date 25th of period chosen above. Here we'll select January 25 and click create schedule button. So in the create schedule dialog box, click close once. You see the message completed successfully to the status held in this. Here, as you can see, the status completed successfully. We'll close, and we'll go to the next topic. Here in the overview, in the task, we'll go to the schedule tab, choose the schedule, the monthly closure. Here in the pending, we'll go to the actions, set status, and we'll click on open. Click on S. Next topic, submitting and approving the task within the schedule. On the home page, navigate to the user. In the left hand panel, click schedule task tab. The schedule, navigate to the task here. We'll click on OK here. We'll go to the task tab. And over there, we'll select schedule task tab. Yeah, after selecting, we'll under schedule field under filter section, select schedule monthly closure 001. Yeah, click on OK. As you can see the task here, click the task name ink. After clicking on the task page, click workflow and to see the approver the task. Here we can see the workflow here. So administrator is the assignee and approver is approver team. So here we'll log in into the approver team credentials. To approve the task, log in as approver 1 with password welcome1. We'll close this. We'll log into the approver user. Yeah. Here, after approving the process, we'll go to the approver. We'll give the credentials of approver 1. Click on go. Yeah, we'll go to the task and we'll follow the process. We'll click on schedule task. Here in the review task, we'll open the task. And here we'll click on refresh. Here we can do the task here. So you see the review the task, the properties drawer, click on approve task button, click close. Here, as you can see, we'll go to the next approver in the team. And we'll go to the task card. Schedule. We'll select the schedule here. And we'll go to the task. Here we'll do the refresh. And in the workflow, we'll just claim the task and we'll approve it. So this is the process in the task manager. Now we'll go to the supplemental data manager in the admin credentials. Click on OK and log in with the admin credentials here. After logging into the admin, we'll go to the navigator and here we'll select the supplemental data. And in the collections, we'll go to the collections tab and we'll click on add new. Yeah. We'll click on add new. Here we'll add the collection name as debt detail 001. As you can see here, I have created this debt details RK and description. I have given this is the for practice purpose. And after that, we'll go to the attributes tab to create attributes. So for the practice purpose, I'm creating once again debt details 001 and description details and collection interval by default. Click the attributes to create attributes. Here we can create the attributes. Click on add and add attribute, and we'll have to create the following attributes here. Here we'll name as det ID 001. We'll give the description and data type text and required checked. We'll click OK. Like this, we can create the attributes. Then we'll create the det description. Det description, and here we'll click on OK, and date date. We'll click on date and we'll select required. Then click on OK, and we'll add another attribute called det type. And in the det type we'll select list. So here in the list we'll select a treasury bills, intermediate term loan, treasury bills, and here intermediate term loan, and next saving bonds and other debt. Saving bonds and other debts. Click on OK, and in the short term, and we'll create another attribute short term, which will be yes or no. Short term, and debt type we'll select yes or no. Click on OK, and in the maturity time we'll click on list. Name as maturity list, maturity time. Click on list. In the list, we'll select less than 1 year. Less than 1 year. 1 to 5 years. And over 5 years. And next, click on others. After that, we'll save and create debt amount. Click on OK. Others. Click on OK here, and we'll create last attribute here. Name as debt amount. We'll give number. and will use a 1000 separator check and negative number for bracket one. Display as a 1000 separator check and negative number. We'll choose this and we'll click on OK. And click key attribute again in the date ID in the 001 field. Create new collection. Yeah, we'll key identifier. We'll select key identifier here. Create new collection. Yeah, after that we'll go to the next page. We'll save and close. Yeah, in the collection we have created this, and we'll go to the next topic called creating form templates. In the form templates, we'll go to the template tab. Here in the template tab, we'll name as date information. Here, date information, and here we'll do the process here. We'll name as date information, use date form, date information, and in the instructions, we'll give the instructions, and in the sections, we'll do the sections here, date info, which we have created before, or we can create by adding the icon. Here we'll create the sections here, and in the group by, we can edit. We can see the name, description, collection, and all. And in the columns, we'll see all the columns here, which has been included. We'll select all these attributes which we have created, and we'll click on check. And in the group by, we'll check on date type and date amount, and click on OK. So after that, we'll schedule the template here. And in the workflow, here we'll give the frequency, schedule form, start date, end date. And in the workflow, we'll select the entity. We'll give the preparer, approver, integrator, and we'll save and close here. And if you wanted to add any questions, we can add the questions here. And in the history tab, we can see all the modifications which we have done here. Lastly, we'll click on save and go. Last, collecting supplemental data. Navigate to the action supplemental data under home page. Click on data collection period tab. Here, data collection period tab. Here we'll select the for the ease row, which we select step 4. Click actions and select open period. In this, I have selected actual and collection interval by default. Here you can see the period has been opened for January, February, and March. And in the collection interval, we'll go to there and we'll click on OK and select the status in open. Click on save. Deploy the form template on the. We'll go to the supplemental data template tab. We'll go to the template tab. We'll select the template, and under actions, we'll click on deploy. And in the magnifying, we'll click the magnifying glass and we'll select the particular period here and click on OK. Yeah, as you can see, the template has been selected, and we'll click on deploy here. We'll click on yes. So here, as you can see, date information, the form has been deployed. click on close. After that, we'll go to the next, entering the data in forms and posting to FCC. In the navigator, we'll go to the enter data submit form. On the home page, click tasks, supplemental data task tab and the left hand page. Here in the task, we'll go to the supplemental data task. In the home page, we'll select the task which we have been created. Here, as you can see here, we can give the name description which we have created the attributes here. And in the summary, we can see the total treasury bills, saving bonds, and total ones. Total like treasury bills plus saving bonds. So like that, we can enter the data here. So we'll click on close. So basically, here the preparer will be editing and entering the data in forms, whereas approver and after entering and entering the data, the integrator will, sorry, preparer will submit to the approver. Approver will receive the form and approve, or if the requirement is not up to mark, he will reject the form, or it will go to the if he approves, it will go to the integrator and he can post the supplemental data details. So next we'll go to the smart view. Here we can we'll close here. We'll go to the home page here, and here as you can see, we'll in the drop down card, we'll select downloads. Here we'll select here we can download the smart view. Here we can download smart view, EPM automate, smart view add-on on administrator, and smart view extensions for close and supplemental data. So in this process, I have downloaded all in my remote desktop. So we'll go to the direct EPM automate. So we'll log into the smart view. Here we'll give the credentials and we'll log into the smart view application here. And in the smart view, we can enter, load, and enter the details. And coming to the EPM automate, we'll first go to the home page, and under overview, we'll click on overview here and click on actions. And in the actions, we'll select inbox or outbox explorer. We'll upload the file metadata underscore entity and click on upload file. So file uploaded, completed successfully. Click on close. After uploading the file, we'll go to the dimensions tab. We'll click on import. We'll create. Here we'll select the inbox. Here we'll give the entity name of the file, metadata underscore entity dot csv, and click on save job. And here we can give the name of job. For time being, I have created the job 123 here. After creating the job, we'll go to the EPM automate. Here we'll give the commands here to upload the import file. EPM automate space login space, we'll give the credentials here, we'll copy and paste, and we'll copy this and paste here like that. We'll copy the URL as well and paste. Click on enter. So login is successful. We'll give the command for uploading file, EPM automate space upload file space. We'll select the, we'll go to the file location. We'll copy, paste, forward slash, and we'll give the file name. Here the file name is metadata underscore entity, metadata underscore entity dot csv. Click on enter. Here, as you can see, file has been already exist or upload is in progress. So this is the process to upload the file, and we'll give the command, last command as EPM automate space import metadata space. Here we'll give the job name. Click on enter. So it is in process. So this is the process for importing metadata in the FCCS application. So in this we have learned everything here. We'll check in the jobs section. As you can see here, 1, 2, 3 job command is processing. As I have done all the jobs in the previously, it has been shown completed, or we can create the jobs within importing the file in the overview card. Our overview card, we'll go to the dimensions. We'll click on import, and in the import here the file we can see, and in the actions we can submit. Once we submit here, we can check the jobs. The file has been imported. So here it's in processing state. You can refresh it. We can see for after some time the process will be completed. So going to the next one. So this is the process which we have done. Yeah. Basically, this is the whole process which we have completed every topic. So yeah, over to you, Ravali. I have completed all the topics here.
Thank you, Suhail.
Yeah, thank you.